If your money already feels tighter than last year, you're not wrong. Get ready for 2026. Your buying power in 2026 may drop even more, and most people have no idea it's coming. Let's break down what's happening and how you can protect yourself starting right now. Hi, I'm Sumi from Manifesting Money, TM, the channel that helps you stay current on how to keep your money safe and your nest egg where you want it. If you're over 40 or 50 and worried about rising prices, shrinking savings, and what 2026 could look like for your money, you're in the right place. Today we're breaking down why your buying power will drop next year and what you can do now to protect yourself. We'll keep it simple, practical, and judgment-free so you can start today. Ready? Let's go. Here's the truth. Your income hasn't kept up with prices. We all know this is true. We've seen grocery prices shoot up, and gas prices are ridiculous. The average American has lost almost a full month of buying power in the last few years. That means you are working 12 months of the year, but now only getting paid for 11 months. Same paycheck, same shopping cart, but a much smaller cushion. This is a math formula that doesn't work out for the average American family. Remember that old 60s song, Spinning Wheel by Blood, Sweat and Tears? What goes up must come down. Well, these prices are not going to be coming down anytime soon. Even if inflation cools, prices don't go back down. They stay there. That's the quiet shift most people miss. People expect prices to go down when the economy gets better, but that's not how it works. For things to get better, now your paycheck has to go up. This is a trap that most people didn't see coming. But now that you see it, you can plan around it. Even if inflation cools, prices don't go back down. What you're paying today becomes the new normal in 2026. Shrinkflation and repriced menus lock in the jump. So, lower inflation still means high prices, just rising slower. Your job is to adapt to that plateau now. High rates make everything more expensive, from mortgages to car loans to credit cards. And most families will feel that pressure even more next year, not less. And if you're one of the unlucky ones, you may not even have a paycheck coming in 2026. Carrying credit balances. Never mind the borrowed money, the interest itself becomes the budget killer. If interest rates dip, great, but plan that they don't. Hope that they don't, because that translates into even more paycheck drip. What should you do? Build protection so the drip doesn't sink you. Tip number 1. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt and avoid new variable rate traps. More Americans are slipping from comfortable to barely getting by. It's not because you're irresponsible, it's because the math changed. The big three are eating a bigger slice of the same pie. Housing, food, health insurance. It's not your fault. Shame doesn't help. Strategy does. So let's talk strategy. We'll keep it practical and doable. One step at a time. This Christmas is the warning sign. If your holiday budget feels tighter than usual, that's your early signal. This time of year usually previews what 2026 will feel like. Is your budget strong? Or are you pinching pennies to buy Christmas this year? Use this test to remind yourself to practice better money moves now. Simple rules beat stress every time. Tip number 2. Start your budget with the big three: food, housing, healthcare. Lock in what you can before prices adjust again. Plan meals around staples and sales, not cravings. Ask for generics and discount programs. Buy essentials first, everything else after, if there's anything left to buy with. Tip number 3, save first. Put a small amount of money into your savings every month. Saving even $50, $100 a month builds real protection. Automate it so you don't debate it every month. Small moves compound over the next year. It's not about perfection. It's about a cushion, an emergency fund for life's little jokes. Tip number 4. If you're using buy now, pay later for gifts, you're not alone. Americans spend more money on credit every year, but it's one of the fastest ways to lose control in 2026. Choose thoughtful over expensive. Put your personal limits in writing before you shop. Remove the temptations. Tip number 5. Create a way to bring in a second income. One small income stream can offset rising costs. It doesn't have to be big. Garage sales, Etsy shops, babysitting, dog walking. It doesn't matter what it is. Even $200, $300 a month makes a real dent and can help set you up for an easier 2026. Whatever you decide to do, time box it so it doesn't drain you. Remember, momentum beats perfection. Just a little at a time, but keep going. This can give you a small piece of control. Control changes how 2026 feels. This isn't about fear, it's about being ready. Tip number 6. Keep your fixed costs as low as possible. Know where each dollar of your paycheck is going and work actively to reduce how much goes out every month. Route money on purpose, not by accident. Review your subscriptions. Review your casual purchases. Is there a different way to get those things that keeps more money in your pocket? Start adjusting now, so the new year doesn't catch you off guard. Many people don't realize that most bills can be negotiated. Negotiate internet, phone, and even your car insurance. If a bill seems too big, question it. Lots of times that bill will become smaller with just a few questions. Shop 3 quotes. Ask for retention offers from your phone carrier or your internet or cable provider. Take advantage of the free trial periods, but don't forget to cancel. Swap 5 items you normally buy to generics. Save without sacrifice. Tiny tweaks can compound over 12 months. Share rides and errands to reduce spend on gas. Use club pricing and manufacturer coupons on meds, or share costs on bulk products with your neighbor. Even small percentages create big peace. Track the prices on your top 15 essentials. When you see them offered under their normal target price, buy 2. When it's above, wait to buy. Remember to bulk the non-perishables, not the produce. Freeze portions of food to prevent waste. Stalk store sales with digital coupons. Shop alternative channels for better value. Your personal savings index smooths the roller coaster that's coming. Let's recap your 2026 money tools. Budget for your essentials first. Cover housing first. Don't create new debt and pay off old debt. Create one new income stream. Increase your savings to make a 2026 emergency fund. Buy generic when you can, and share expenses with family and friends. Yes, your buying power is shrinking, but you're not powerless. With small changes today, 2026 can feel safer and more stable. Here on the Manifesting Money channel, we talk practical strategies, today's economic realities, and real options that work. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more guidance on money, mindset, and building income after 50. Your support helps more people find this. Thank you for being here. And remember, you've got this.